Welcome back to Gaia's Green Space. Today, we're diving into a topic that's green, slimy, and might be creating our future: algae. If you're thinking of the green scum on a stagnant pond, you're on the right track. But did you know algae are also microscopic power factories? That's right. The same stuff you scrape off your fish tank could be powering your car. Algae can produce oils, similar to the ones in fossil fuels, but without the millennia-long wait time. Imagine slashing those long gas station lines with a quick scooping of pond scum. Better yet, imagine a world where we're not digging up the earth or churning the seas for oil. Sure, it's not as simple as scooping algae from a pond, but the science behind it is fascinating. Scientists can genetically modify algae to pump out oil, like tiny green factories. And unlike crude oil, when we burn algae fuel, it doesn't add extra carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. That's because, as a plant, algae absorb carbon dioxide while they're growing. So when we take the bio-oil from algae and use it to power something, we're just recycling the same carbon dioxide over and over. The potential for algae biofuels to be a game changer in the energy sector is high. But as with any emerging technology, there are hurdles to overcome. Yet, the possibilities and potential benefits are truly exciting. Don't you agree? So, from powering your car to cleaning our air, algae could be the answer we've been looking for. Join me next time as we dive deeper into the greener and slimy side of fuel. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with Gaia's Green Space. Can't wait to explore more green science with you.